Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow, your favorite podcast to speak English clearly and confidently.
Hi friends, I'm Liam, and today we have something super exciting for you. We are going to help you speak English clearly using 200 confident sentences. That's right, 200 sentences you can use in daily life to sound natural and confident.
I love this. And don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll go step by step. By the end of this session, you'll feel ready to speak English naturally in any situation.
Exactly. Speaking English is not just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about confidence. That's why we've carefully selected sentences that you can practice daily so they stick in your mind.
Let's start with some easy greetings and introductions. These are the first sentences we all need in real life.
Right, here we go. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from your country.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from your country.
See? Simple, natural sentences. Now let's put them in a short dialogue.
Hi, Liam. How are you today?
Hi, Sophia. I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from New York.
See how smooth that felt? This is real-life conversation practice. Repeat it after us, and you'll feel the sentences naturally.
And here's a tip. Always speak slowly at first. Don't rush. Clarity comes first. Speed comes later.
Smiles. Let's look at some daily routine sentences next. These help you talk about your life naturally.
Sure, here are some examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I cook dinner at 7 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Repeat each sentence clearly. I wake up at 7 a.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I cook dinner at 7 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Continues. Let's make a short conversation with these sentences.
When do you wake up, Liam?
I wake up at 7 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m. I finish at 5 p.m.
Nice. And when do you have dinner?
I cook dinner at 7 p.m. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Looks at the audience. Notice how natural it sounds? You can change the times or activities to match your life. That's how these sentences become your own English.
Exactly. Now let's check some vocabulary words from today's sentences. Words like wake up, breakfast, work, dinner, bed are very common in daily life.
Wake up. It means to get out of sleep. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. Work, your job or place where you work. Dinner, your main evening meal. Bed, the place you sleep.
Let's try Q&A practice with these words.
Asks questions. What time do you wake up?
Answers. I wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
Asks questions. What do you eat for breakfast?
Replies. I eat eggs and toast for breakfast.
Asks questions. Where do you work?
Replies. I work in an office downtown.
Asks questions. What time do you go to bed?
Replies. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Smiles. Perfect. Keep repeating these questions and answers. They help you think in English naturally.
Nods. Now it's time for shadowing practice. Listen carefully and repeat after me exactly as I say. I wake up at 7 a.m. Audience repeats.
I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Audience repeats.
I go to work at 9 a.m. Audience repeats.
I finish work at 5 p.m. Audience repeats.
I cook dinner at 7 p.m. Audience repeats.
I go to bed at 10 p.m. Audience repeats.
Smiles. Shadowing is one of the fastest ways to improve your speaking and confidence. Try it every day.
Yes, and here's another tip. Use these sentences with your friends or family, even if it's small talk. Speaking regularly builds your confidence faster than anything else.
Absolutely. Even simple sentences like, I'm fine, thank you, or I go to work at 9 a.m. will help you sound natural and comfortable in English.
Leans closer. Before we move on, let's review some confidence sentences you can use anytime. I can speak English clearly. I am improving every day. I can communicate naturally. I enjoy speaking English. I feel confident talking in English.
Repeats with energy. I can speak English clearly. I am improving every day. I can communicate naturally. I enjoy speaking English. I feel confident talking in English.
Say them with me. Speak out loud. The more you repeat, the stronger your English confidence grows.
That's right. Confidence is key. Remember, mistakes are normal. Every time you speak, you get better and better.
So friends, today we've practiced greetings, daily routine sentences, vocabulary, Q&A, and shadowing. All these will help you speak English clearly and confidently every day.
Smiles warmly. In our next session, we'll cover more real-life situations and 100 more confident sentences. You'll learn how to talk naturally in shops, restaurants, at work, and with friends.
Keep practicing, repeat the sentences, and don't worry about mistakes. Speak English every day. You are capable and you will improve faster than you think.
Soft outro music begins. Thank you for joining us today on Easy English Flow. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Speak confidently, think in English, and remember, English is for everyone.
Welcome back, friends.
Hi, everyone. Today, we continue practicing 200 confidence sentences to help you speak English naturally and clearly. If you did part 1, great. If not, don't worry. You can follow along from here too.
Let's start with workplace conversations. These sentences are very useful if you're at an office, a shop, or a school.
Here are some examples. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Can you help me with this task before that? I finished the report. I need some advice. Let's work together on this project.
I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Can you help me with this task before that? I finished the report. I need some advice. Let's work together on this project.
Now, let's put them in a short conversation.
Hi, Liam. Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Can you help me with this task before that?
Sure. I finished the report yesterday, so I can help.
Great. I also need some advice on the project.
No problem. Let's work together and finish it quickly. Notice how easy and natural these sentences sound? You can change the words to match your work.
Exactly. Now let's move to social situations. Talking with friends, at a cafe, or meeting new people is just as important.
Some useful sentences. What are you doing today? Do you want to have lunch? I like this place. Let's go for a walk. See you later.
Repeat. What are you doing today? Do you want to have lunch? I like this place. Let's go for a walk. See you later.
Here's a short dialogue using these sentences. Hey, Liam, what are you doing today?
Hi, Sophia. I was thinking about going to the park. Do you want to have lunch first?
Yes, let's eat at that new cafe. I like this place.
Perfect. After lunch, we can go for a walk.
Great idea. See you there in 20 minutes.
Beautiful. Now, let's look at vocabulary words from these sentences. Meeting, task, report, advice, project, lunch, cafe, walk, see you later.
Meeting, a time to discuss work. Task, a small job or duty. Report, a written summary. Advice, guidance or suggestion. Project, a work plan or assignment. Lunch, midday meal. Cafe, a small restaurant. Walk, moving on foot. See you later, a friendly goodbye.
Let's do some Q&A practice using these sentences.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
Can you help me with this task before that?
Of course, I finished my task so I can help.
Where do you want to have lunch?
I like that new cafe downtown.
Do you want to go for a walk after lunch?
Yes, let's go for a walk. Perfect. Now comes shadowing practice. Repeat exactly after us.
I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
Audience repeats. Can you help me with this task? Audience repeats.
I finished the report.
Audience repeats. I need some advice. Audience repeats.
Let's work together on this project.
Audience repeats. What are you doing today? Audience repeats.
Do you want to have lunch?
Audience repeats. I like this place. Audience repeats.
Let's go for a walk.
Audience repeats. See you later. Audience repeats.
Shadowing like this improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Repeat daily, even for 10 minutes, and you'll notice a huge difference.
Now, let's focus on confidence sentences you can use anytime in work or social life.
I can speak English clearly.
I am improving every day.
I can communicate naturally.
I enjoy speaking English.
I feel confident talking in English.
I can ask questions without fear.
I can understand and respond quickly.
I speak with a smile and confidence.
Mistakes are part of learning, and that's okay.
Every conversation makes me better and stronger.
Say them with us, friends. Speak out loud. Confidence grows with practice.
Also, remember consistency is key. Speak every day. Even 5 minutes with these sentences builds huge confidence.
Absolutely. And don't worry about grammar or small mistakes. Focus on speaking clearly, naturally, and with confidence. That's what real communication is about.
Before we finish today's session, let's do a quick review of what we practiced.
Greetings, daily routines, workplace sentences, social phrases, vocabulary, Q&A practice, shadowing, and confidence sentences.
Keep practicing all of these. Use them at work, with friends, or even while thinking in English. The more you use English actively, the faster you'll improve.
In our next episode, we'll cover more advanced situations, shopping, traveling, asking for help, and 100 more sentences to make your English even more natural.
Yes, keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, English is for everyone, and you can speak it clearly every day.
Soft outro music plays. Thank you for joining us today on Easy English Flow. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and we'll see you next time.
Speak confidently, enjoy learning, and keep improving.
Welcome back, friends, to the last part of today's session on speaking English confidently using 200 sentences.
Hi, everyone. Today we'll review, reinforce, and practice everything we've learned so far. By the end, you'll feel much more confident speaking English naturally.
Let's start with some daily routine sentences. Repeat after us. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I enjoy my coffee. I go for a walk. I read a book.
Great. Now some work sentences. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I finished the report. Can you help me with this task? Let's work together. I need some advice. I am ready to learn.
Next, social sentences. What are you doing today? Do you want to have lunch? I like this place. Let's go for a walk. See you later. It's nice to meet you.
Now the most important part, confidence sentences. Repeat them with us loudly and clearly. I speak English clearly. I feel confident. I can communicate naturally. Mistakes are okay. Every conversation makes me better. I enjoy speaking English.
Yes, remember, friends, confidence grows every time you speak, repeat, and practice. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on speaking naturally.
Let's do a quick review practice session. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it exactly after me.
I have a meeting today. Can you help me with this task? I like this cafe. Let's go for a walk. I speak English clearly. I feel confident speaking English. Amazing! Keep repeating these sentences every day. Even 10 minutes of practice daily will make your English much stronger.
Also, try thinking in English while doing daily activities. Describe what you see, what you do, or what you plan. For example, I am drinking water. I am writing an email. Or, I am talking with my friend.
Exactly. Speaking English is like exercising your brain. The more you use it, the faster you improve.
Before we end, here's a short motivational tip. Don't compare yourself to others. Speak at your own pace, be proud of every sentence you say, and enjoy the process. English is a skill, and you are improving every day.
So, friends, keep practicing, stay confident, and never give up. Your English will become fluent naturally with consistent effort.
Thank you for joining us on Easy English Flow. Keep practicing these 200 sentences, use them in daily life, and watch your confidence grow.
See you in the next session. Speak confidently, smile, and enjoy learning English.
Bye, everyone. Remember, every sentence you speak brings you closer to fluency.